Are you ready for a good challenge? Then let's all do a winter home spruce up and be clean before spring. Join me with hashtag winterspruceup. Happy New Year. Welcome 2025. And what a great way to start off the new year with a challenge. And this challenge is a winter spruce up. You know, you always hear about spring cleaning. Well, when spring gets here, I'm out there planting my garden. So I want to do my cleaning when it's really cold outside and I don't want to go outside and we've got a big polar vortex coming. So we're going to do a winter spruce up challenge over the next 2 months and just pick a few things to do a week to not make it overwhelming. And I hope you'll join me. If you do, just use the hashtag winterspruceup and let's share ideas and tips. But I've planned out each week during the months of January and February so that we can spread this out, get it done, and not be overwhelmed. So right now I'm in the middle of getting all my Christmas stuff packed away and cleaned, but January 5th is when it starts, and it starts with drawers, cleaning out all your drawers, and that's next week. So we've got the whole week to go around the house. The kitchen has 10 drawers in it. I will be working on cleaning these out. I've already bought my shelf paper, redoing the drawers in the kitchen. Then I'll move to the bathrooms, just the drawers, not the cabinets or the closets. Then I'm going to go around the house. The bedroom is a big one. That's going to take me a couple of days in there because of the chest of drawers and my dresser. All of those clothes need to be cleaned out, socks matched. So it's going to be exciting because we're going to get so much organized over the winter months. Now, what you need to do is go ahead and gather some supplies, some shelf liner. I've got a tub here. I'm going to make my own cleaner and I'll share that recipe with you next week. I'm using Spruce essential oil. It's going to smell so good. I've got my rags. I'm going around and looking for little containers because I'm really trying not to spend money. So some little containers to help organize things in the kitchen. I've got scissors and a cutter. I'm going to be carrying a trash can around with me because I'm going to purge and get rid of stuff. And I'll also have a donation box where if it's things I know could go to a thrift store or a charity shop, that's what I'll do. I'll donate it. So we're going to get busy. Let me go over with you all the things that we're going to do over the next 2 months. I really hope you join me. Let me know in the comments if you want to take part in this challenge and share ideas with me. So let's look at what we got to do for the next 2 months. Week 1, we're going to be cleaning out all the drawers in our entire house. Week 2, we're going to clean all book shelves and also if you have any wall shelves, anything that has a shelf, we're going to clean those off. Week 3, we're going to be cleaning out the kitchen cabinets, just working on the kitchen the whole week. Week 4, we're going to clean out the bathrooms, the cabinets, and the closets and get those better organized. Week 5, we're going to work on bedroom closets. Week 6, we're going to clean all of the art or pictures that we have hanging and we're going to change up some decor. Week 7, we're going to wash all the bed linens on all the beds. That's the bedspreads, the pillows, the sheets, get all of that cleaned. And then lastly, week 8, we're going to freshen up our curtains and blinds. Okay, what do you think? Are you up for this challenge? Can we do it? Yes, we can, but let me show you. This is so embarrassing, but I want you to see I mean business. Look at my kitchen drawer. It's wild. What a mess. So we're going to get this done, y'all. We got to. We have no choice. I can't stand this clutter. So I'll see you next week.